Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing soft and chewy oatmeal cookies. These cookies are packed with white chocolate chips, chopped pecans and dried cranberries. They taste best when lightly browned and are a perfect tea-time treat for this festive season. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all ingredients should be at room temperature, especially the butter, which must be softened. And you can increase the amount of white chocolate chips and dried cranberries if you want the cookies to be sweeter. Preparation. Line a baking tray with parchment paper or greaseproof paper and preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Method. Add in the sugar and the butter into a large mixing bowl and whisk until light and creamy. Now add in the egg and whisk until well combined. Sift in the plain flour, ground cinnamon, salt, baking soda and the baking powder. Please note, the use of the baking powder is optional and can be left out. Add in the desiccated coconut, the rolled oats and the vanilla extract. Mix using a spatula. Add in the chopped pecans, dried cranberries and white chocolate chips. Please note, set a few white chocolate chips aside to be used later. Also, as mentioned earlier, you can increase the amount of dried cranberries and white chocolate chips if you want the cookies to taste sweeter. Then continue to mix until well combined. Bring it together to form a dough. Use a quarter cup to scoop the cookie dough. Then roll the dough into a ball and place on a prepared baking tray. Press down gently on the dough to flatten it a bit. And press a few of the white chocolate chips that we set aside late earlier onto each of the cookies. Now place the baking tray on the middle shelf of a preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges turn light brown. Note, it's important to keep checking on the cookies and remove them when the edges are starting to turn light brown. When done, remove from the oven and tap the tray on the worktop a couple of times. This is an optional step. You can immediately press down on the cookies while they are still hot to enhance their appearance. Leave on the baking tray for about 8 to 10 minutes before transferring them onto a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it. Soft and chewy oatmeal cookies packed with white chocolate chips, chopped pecans and dried cranberries. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other recipes that you'd like to try out, so be sure to click on the link on your screen right now and watch another video.